want to tell you something.
Why?
I'm sad. I have been looking for a job everywhere, but haven't found one yet.
Sam, I also can get a job.
Hello.
Here we are, looking for work.
Wow, what a coincidence. At work, I still need to employees as administrative staff.
Alhamdulillah. What is the name of the company, Rul?
PT Financial Multigria Facility.
Okay, well, make a CV for the job application first.
Just leave to meet later. I give it to the higher day.
Okay, here my application CV with Safa. Thanks ya, Rul.
You're welcome.
Amin.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
I want to give my friend job application CV.
Your friend applied here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Excuse me out, sir.
Yes, please. Vin, please call Sahrul, yes? Tell to my room.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me. Can you help me, sir?
Tomorrow, tell to Febriana and Safa go to the office for an interview.
Okay, excuse me, sir. Yeah.
Hi, Saf. How long has it been?
No, just 5 minutes ago.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, it's arrived. What? Have you go to requirement yet?
Alrighty.
Rule, which one wants to apply for a job?
Here they are.
Hi, introduce me Alvina, the staff here. If you need anything, just ask me. Thank you, nice to meet you. Okay, I will take you to the HRD room. I will just deliver it here because I still have work to do. Okay, thank you. You're welcome.
Excuse me, Chef. I'm Febriana and this is Safa.
Please, have a seat.
Alhamdulillah, Syarul, Vina, and Feby is accepted.
Very happy, Masya Allah. Finally got a job.
Alhamdulillah. Congratulations.
Thank you. Okay, then I and Feby see you later.
Yes, tomorrow